Alright, so I'll slid these repair couplings on past where we cut out a section. Alright, so we're going to put the glue here and the glue on the piece that we're putting in, which this is the piece we took out. We'll put it over here. And this is the broken piece. Alright, and a repair coupling, the inside of it has that lack of, well, let me get my hand up. Inside there, there's no ring in the center to keep it from one side going too far. That allows you to slide it on past and then go back on it. So if you're in a ground or something, you got to be able to, can't move the pipe around to get it into one coupling to another. You use a repair coupling and you can slide in a piece like so.